Hi everyone, welcome to our video. In this video, we're going to show you guys how we make a pumpkin pie. We're actually going to make, this recipe is good for making 2 pumpkin pies, and we are going to be using 2 pie crust. The size is 9 inch, so 9 inches, whichever you find.
We are so excited to bake it. So I'm making sure my apron doesn't fall this time. Like the coffee cake video. Go check it out if you haven't.
Yes.
Oh.
And we're gonna be using 1 bowl. Normally we use a hand mixer, but we lost it, we couldn't find it, so we're gonna be using a whisk.
It's too noisy.
Okay, and we're gonna be using 1 can of pumpkin puree. We're gonna be using the whole can, and this is good for 2 pies. We're also going to be using 1 can of 14 ounces of condensed milk, 1 can of 12 ounces of evaporated milk, and 4 eggs. And what else, Melody?
So we are going to be using 2 teaspoons of vanilla, half salt, teaspoon, and pumpkin spice 2 teaspoons, and cinnamon 2 teaspoons.
Alright guys, then let's begin. Okay guys, so first we're going to begin with the can. Let's pour the can. This smells delicious. There's a spatula in case you need it, okay?
I actually need it.
It's a little thick.
I need it. Okay. Oh yeah.
Now, I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do this one, the evaporated milk. Gentle. Okay, now do this one. It is 14 ounces of condensed milk. This is a little thick. Just be careful. You might need the...
This, by the way.
You can actually wipe your fingers here. And then you wash it. Give it another clean. Now, let me just mix it a little bit.
My turn.
Hold on, lady. We're gonna put the eggs. 4 eggs.
But wait. You could use any kind of light.
Make sure don't get any of the shell inside the bowl. Perfect.
And then first time doing it correct, then do it another time.
Is that it? Might need to hit it again. Another one. Another crack. There we go. One more time, one more time. Okay. All done. Wipe your
That's
fingers.
Good thing there's none of the. Good thing there's none of the.
Now we're gonna add the condiments. You have the teaspoons?
Yes. I'm gonna be teaspoon.
Make sure your hands are dry.
Yeah, my hands are dry.
I'm trying my hands. The one that says teaspoon. Let me show you. It's going to be this one.
New it.
a little bit so we can make this a little faster.
How many times?
Make sure it's all, need a little more. There you go. One more. Yes. Yes. No, no, edit.
Okay, guys, look over here.
Look at Daddy.
1, 2, and 3. Go over here, Melody. Got it.
Ito lang, huwag kayong dry.
Mine's 2.
2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. 1, 2.
Ito.
It's not done yet. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Love it. 1, 2. Careful. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now you're gonna do half
Teaspoons.
of salt. Half.
I don't know.
Better. Let me find.
I can mostly do everything by myself.
Mostly, you just need a little bit of help. This one is just half, we don't need that much. Here you go.
Llevan.
Son todos los ingredients. Vamos a enseñar en el video.
Sí, la uno. Ya le prendo ahí, ¿no?
Okay, now this is all of our ingredients in here, and we're gonna whisk. Melody already started whisking off camera, and the oven is preheating to 425. So it's gonna bake for 15 minutes, and then we lower the temperature to 350, and it bakes for 35 to 45 minutes.
Mom, a 10 and so we need 2 5s and another 10. What does it make?
2 5s and another 10 is 20.
20.
Crust ready. And make sure you don't throw this away because we're gonna use this at the end when it's done to cover the pie. And we're gonna take this to my sister's house to
This
have
is
our,
Thanksgiving.
today's Thanksgiving, guys. You still have to get ready. We're gonna put this in the
I'm still my
oven.
pajamas.
Yeah. Smells delicious.
Okie dokie, all it took is was very 100% delicious.
Now let me pour this.
That's the grown-up half I can off.
This is heavy.
You can see my face.
Give me a little bit. And we still have some leftover. Look.
Oh,
So this is the before, and then we're going to show you guys when it's baking, and then when it's all done.
yeah.
Stay tuned. Hey guys, so we are done with the pie. So let me show you guys the end result. Look at this.
So
This is
yummy.
it. And
It smells very good. 100%.
thumbs up, and we are ready to go to my
Done.
sister's house. And happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thank you for watching.
Happy Thanksgiving.